Right, you lot. Forget your fancy foams and your truffle oils. Tonight we're going back to basics with a dish that's all about comfort, indulgence, and flavor: twice-baked potatoes. Imagine a dish that brings together the best of both worlds: the crispy golden skin of a perfectly baked potato and the creamy cheesy goodness of a rich filling. This isn't some poncy side dish. This is a meal in itself, a symphony of textures and tastes that'll have you licking the plate clean. The twice-baked potato is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, where humble ingredients come together to create something truly extraordinary. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and bursting with a creamy, cheesy filling, it's the kind of food that warms you from the inside out. Each bite is a delightful contrast of textures, with the crunch of the skin giving way to the soft, velvety interior. It's the kind of food that warms you from the inside out. Perfect for a cozy night in or a gathering with friends, these twice-baked potatoes are sure to be a hit. The best part? They're incredibly versatile. You can customize the filling to suit your taste. Add some crispy bacon, fresh chives, or even a dollop of sour cream. Get ready to ditch the takeaway menus and impress your mates with a recipe that's as satisfying to make as it is to eat. So, roll up your sleeves, preheat your oven, and let's dive into the world of twice-baked potatoes. Trust me, once you've had a taste, you'll be coming back for more. Listen up, you want to nail this recipe? It's all about the ingredients. Then pay attention to the ingredients. Each one plays a crucial role in creating that perfect twice-baked potato. No messing about with substandard produce. Freshness and quality are key. Russet potatoes. 4 large ones, big enough to satisfy a bear after hibernation. These are the foundation of our dish, so make sure they're firm and unblemished. Olive oil. 2 tablespoons of the good stuff, none of that cheap rubbish. This will help crisp up the potato skins to perfection. Butter. 4 tablespoons because everything's better with butter. It adds richness and a silky texture to the potato filling. Sour cream. Half a cup for that tangy kick. It balances the richness of the butter and cheese, giving a delightful contrast. Cheddar cheese. 2 cups grated. We're not skimping on flavor here. The sharpness of the cheddar complements the creamy potatoes beautifully. Bacon. 6 rashers, cooked crispy. No soggy bacon in my kitchen. The crunch adds a wonderful texture and a smoky depth of flavor. Spring onions. 4, finely chopped. A bit of freshness to cut through the richness. They add a pop of color and a mild oniony bite. Salt and pepper. To taste, you donkeys. Seasoning is crucial. It brings all the flavors together and enhances each ingredient. Now that you know the ingredients, you're one step closer to twice-baked bliss. Get these right and you're halfway there. Let's get cooking. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial as it ensures that your potatoes cook evenly and develop that perfect crispy skin we all love. While the oven is heating up, let's move on to preparing our potatoes. Now scrub those potatoes clean. Use a brush to get rid of any dirt or debris clinging to the skin. We don't want any dirt ending up in our masterpiece, do we? Clean potatoes are the foundation of a great dish. Once they're spotless, it's time to prick them all over with a fork. This might seem like a small step, but it's very important. Pricking the potatoes allows the steam to escape while they bake, preventing any potential explosions in the oven. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Next, drizzle them with olive oil. This not only adds flavor but also helps in achieving that golden, crispy skin. Season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, it brings out the natural flavors of the potatoes. Rub it in, get your hands dirty. Make sure every inch of the potato is coated with the oil and seasoning. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. Now place the potatoes directly on the oven rack. This allows the heat to circulate around them, cooking them evenly. Bake for about an hour, or until they're soft when pierced with a fork. Keep an eye on them as they bake. You want them to be tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Remember, we want them cooked through, not bloody raw. Once they're done, you'll have perfectly baked potatoes ready to be enjoyed. The fluffy inside and crispy skin make for a delightful combination. Section 4. Crafting the masterpiece, the art of filling preparation. While the potatoes are baking, let's get this filling sorted. In a large bowl, combine the butter, sour cream, cheddar cheese, bacon, and spring onions. Season it generously with salt and pepper. Now taste it. Yeah, you heard me. Dip a clean finger in there and give it a try. Needs more seasoning? Add some. Not cheesy enough? Grate in some more cheddar. This is your chance to adjust the flavors to your liking. Section 5, the grand assembly. Stuffing our potato shells. Once the potatoes are cool enough to handle, cut them in half lengthwise. Don't burn yourself, you numpties. Scoop out the flesh into the bowl with the filling, leaving a thin layer of potato in the skin. We don't want any holes in our boats. Now mash everything together until it's smooth and creamy. This is where you can really work out any frustrations. Mash it like you mean it. Section 6. The second bake. Achieving golden perfection. Spoon the filling back into the potato skins, mounding it up generously. Remember, we're not aiming for dainty here, we're going for indulgence. Place the filled potatoes back on a baking sheet. For an extra cheesy touch, sprinkle some more grated cheddar on top. Bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the filling is heated through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Section 7. Presentation is everything, serving your twice-baked masterpiece. Now don't go dumping these beauties straight onto a plate like some kind of animal. We're plating up a feast here, folks. Grab a nice serving platter and arrange the potatoes with care and precision. Garnish with some extra spring onions for color and a fresh touch, and a dollop of sour cream for good measure. There you have it. Twice-baked potatoes fit for a king or queen, or at least fit for someone who appreciates proper, hearty food. Dig in and enjoy the fruits of your labor, my friends. You deserve it, you magnificent bastards.